Hello and welcome to another installment of Mattia's Calculus Tutorials. Today we'll be talking about integration by parts. So here you can see three different problems which requires you to do indefinite integrals. The first one, the integral of e to the x with respect to x, is easily solved through the antiderivative of e to the x is still e to the x. And then don't forget plus c. The second one is used by a method that we had learned in a previous video, which is u substitution. If you set u as x squared, du equals to 2x du, and this integral would easily then be able to be solved. But a problem arises when you see something like this, where it's the integral of x squared times natural log of x dx. How do we solve it? Well, there's a method called integration by parts, and what that says is that the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. So this seems a little bit overwhelming at first, but I'm going to try to run through it step by step. How do we choose u? Unlike u substitution, we choose u through easily through a acronym called LIPET, L-I-P-E-T, logarithmic, inverse, polynomial, exponential, trigonometric. So if we return back to this problem here, x squared natural log x dx. From our chart, logarithmic is first, and there is a logarithm here, so we'll set that as our u. And subsequently, du is equal to 1 over x. And by default, if u is natural log x, dv must be x squared dx. And v would be x cubed over 3. So from there, what I did right there is I got all the parts necessary to solve it by, through integration by parts, u, v, v again, and then du. So now all you have to do is plug it into the equation, u, v, so natural log x times x cubed over 3 minus the integral of v, which is x cubed over 3, times du, which is 1 over x dx. And this part right here goes to, if you simplify it, x squared over 3. So from there, you're left with another integral over here on this right side, but that can be solved through anti-deriving with methods that we already know. If I were to simplify it, it would be x cubed over 3, natural log x, minus the integral of x squared over 3 dx. The integral of this would then be x cubed over 3 natural log x minus x cubed over 9 plus c. Thank you.